Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel with a new video. Have you ever felt lightheaded for no reason? Struggled to catch your breath after climbing a single flight of stairs? Woken up with a pounding headache, extreme fatigue, or even blurry vision? These could be warning signs that your body is not getting enough oxygen. And if left untreated, low oxygen levels, also known as hypoxemia, can lead to serious health problems, including brain damage, heart failure, and even death. In today's video, we'll break down the 10 biggest warning signs of low oxygen levels, why they happen, and most importantly, how to fix them before it's too late. Stick around to the end for a crucial tip that can naturally increase your oxygen levels fast. Let's get started. Sign 1. Shortness of breath. One of the most obvious signs of low oxygen is shortness of breath, also called dyspnea. You might notice that simple activities like climbing stairs, walking, or even talking for too long leave you feeling winded and out of breath. Why this happens? Oxygen is essential for every muscle and organ in your body. When oxygen levels drop, your lungs work overtime to pull in more air. This makes breathing faster and shallower, leaving you feeling like you can't get enough air. When to worry? Feeling out of breath while sitting still, waking up at night gasping for air, struggling to breathe deeply. How to fix it? Practice deep breathing exercises. Inhale for 4 sec, hold for 7 sec, exhale for 8 sec. Improve indoor air quality. Open windows, use an air purifier, and avoid cigarette smoke. Consult a doctor. If shortness of breath is sudden or persistent, get your oxygen levels checked. Sign 2. Extreme fatigue and weakness. Do you feel exhausted all the time no matter how much you rest? This could be because your muscles and brain aren't getting enough oxygen. Why this happens? Oxygen is needed to produce energy, ATP, in your cells. When oxygen is low, your body slows down to conserve energy. This leads to chronic tiredness, brain fog, and weakness. When to worry? Waking up exhausted, feeling drained after mild activity, legs and arms feeling weak. How to fix it? Eat iron-rich foods, red meat, lentils, spinach, and fortified cereals. Stay hydrated. Dehydration slows oxygen transport in the blood. Move your body. Light exercise increases oxygen intake. Sign 3. Frequent headaches. Waking up with a throbbing headache or experiencing random headaches throughout the day? This could mean your brain isn't getting enough oxygen. Why this happens? Low oxygen causes blood vessels in the brain to widen, leading to headaches. It's especially common in sleep apnea sufferers. When to worry? Headaches after sleeping, frequent migraines, dizziness with blurred vision. How to fix it? Improve sleep posture. Sleeping on your side improves airflow. Try breathing exercises to increase oxygen intake. Sign 4. Dizziness or confusion. Have you ever stood up too fast and suddenly felt lightheaded, dizzy, or even like you might faint? Or maybe you've been feeling more forgetful and mentally foggy than usual? These could be signs that your brain isn't getting enough oxygen. Why this happens? Your brain needs a constant supply of oxygen to function properly. When oxygen levels drop, the brain slows down, causing dizziness, poor focus, and even memory issues. In older adults, chronic low oxygen can contribute to dementia or Alzheimer's disease. When to worry? Feeling dizzy when standing up too fast. Losing balance easily, struggling to concentrate or remember things. How to fix it? Get quality sleep, as poor sleep can reduce oxygen levels. Increase iron and vitamin B12 intake to help oxygen circulate better. When standing up, take a few seconds before moving to let your body adjust. Sign 5. Bluish lips or fingertips. If your lips, fingers, or toes start turning blue or purple, this is a serious warning sign that your body is not getting enough oxygen. Why this happens? When oxygen is low, your blood can't carry enough oxygen to tissues, causing them to appear bluish or purplish. This is common in cold weather or at high altitudes where oxygen levels are naturally lower. It can also happen in people with lung disease or heart problems. When to worry? Lips or fingertips turning blue for no reason, shortness of breath happening at the same time, More common in babies, elderly, or people with heart, lung conditions. How to fix it? Move to a warm area since cold can reduce oxygen circulation. Practice deep breathing exercises to increase oxygen flow. If it doesn't go away in a few minutes, seek medical help immediately. Sign 6. Fast heart rate. Does your heart sometimes start racing even when you're not exercising or stressed? This could be a warning sign that your heart is working overtime to pump oxygen. Why this happens? When oxygen is low, the heart beats faster to compensate and deliver more oxygen to your body. This can lead to chest pain, anxiety, and even heart damage over time. Common in people with anemia, lung disease, or high stress levels. When to worry? Heart rate over 100 BPM for no reason. Shortness of breath or dizziness happening together. Feeling anxious or panicked without a clear reason? How to fix it? Slow down and take deep breaths to calm the heart. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, as they can speed up the heart. If heart palpitations happen often, see a doctor immediately. Sign 7. Shortness of breath while sleeping. If you wake up gasping for air at night or if your partner says you snore loudly, you might be suffering from low oxygen while sleeping. Why this happens? Sleep apnea is a condition where your airway gets blocked while you sleep, stopping oxygen from reaching your lungs. Your brain panics and wakes you up to restart breathing. People with obesity, sinus problems, or lung disease are at higher risk. When to worry? Frequent snoring or waking up suddenly gasping for air, waking up tired with a headache, extreme daytime sleepiness, even after a full night's sleep. How to fix it? Sleep on your side instead of your back to improve airflow. Lose excess weight, as extra fat around the neck can block airways. If it's severe, get a sleep study done and consider using a CPAP machine. Sign 8. Swelling in ankles or feet. If your feet, ankles, or legs swell up often, this could mean low oxygen is affecting your circulation. Why this happens? Low oxygen can cause poor circulation, leading to fluid buildup in the lower body. This is common in people with heart or lung conditions. When to worry? Swelling that doesn't go away after resting. Pain or tightness in the legs. Shortness of breath happening at the same time. How to fix it? Keep your legs elevated while resting. Reduce salt intake, as too much salt can worsen fluid retention. If swelling continues, consult a doctor immediately. Sign 9. Chest pain. If you ever feel a tight, heavy, or squeezing sensation in your chest, and it happens alongside shortness of breath, then pay close attention. This could be a sign that your body isn't getting enough oxygen. Why this happens? The heart relies on oxygen-rich blood to pump efficiently. When oxygen levels drop too low, the heart struggles to function properly, leading to chest tightness or discomfort. This symptom is often mistaken for stress or heartburn, but it can be a serious red flag. When to worry? Pain, tightness, or pressure in the chest. Shortness of breath at the same time. Pain spreading to the shoulders, neck, or jaw. If the pain lasts more than a few minutes, or if you also experience dizziness, nausea, or sweating, seek emergency medical help immediately. It could be a sign of a heart attack. How to fix it? Take slow, deep breaths to increase oxygen intake. Avoid smoking and air pollution, which can restrict oxygen flow. If chest tightness occurs frequently, consult a doctor to rule out heart or lung issues. Sign 10. Restlessness and anxiety. Have you ever felt sudden, unexplained anxiety or restlessness, almost like your body is in panic mode for no reason? Well, this could be your brain reacting to low oxygen levels. Why this happens? When oxygen is low, the brain sends emergency signals to your body, triggering a fight or flight response that makes you feel anxious. This can cause symptoms like a racing heart, shakiness, dizziness, and even panic attacks. Many people mistake this for normal anxiety, but in reality, it could be hypoxemia. When to worry? Feeling anxious or panicked without any clear reason. Rapid breathing or hyperventilation. Sudden dizziness or a feeling of impending doom. Low oxygen and high carbon dioxide levels in the blood can directly affect the brain's emotional center, making you feel overwhelmed or panicked. How to fix it? Practice deep breathing exercises. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Step outside for fresh air to improve oxygen circulation. If anxiety is persistent, check your oxygen levels with a pulse oximeter and consult a doctor. How to boost oxygen naturally. Breathe deeply. Eat iron-rich foods. Stay hydrated. Exercise regularly. Have you experienced any of these symptoms? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Thanks for watching.